Many people are going to tell you that wholesaling or Amazon FBA or Amazon Mechanical Turk or private label are the best ways to make money with Amazon. In my opinion, each one of those business models have problems. And so in this video, I'm going to reveal the best way, my number one recommended way that you can make money on Amazon. Not only that, I'm going to show you all of the different ways that you can do it and how you can start making money potentially by the end of next month. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn how to make money on Amazon. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for a free unemployee handbook. That handbook will teach you how to make money online step by step. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so as I mentioned, there are probably 20 different ways that you can make money on Amazon. Some are better than others, and in my opinion, the best way is what I'm going to reveal. Not only am I going to tell you why I think it's the best way, I'm going to show you how to do it so that you have the opportunity to start making money fast. Okay, so the first thing that we want to do is come over to Amazon.com. As you know, it's the largest marketplace. It's also the number one affiliate network in the world. And if you don't know, affiliate marketing is simply connecting solutions to problems. People come to Amazon because they have millions, if not billions of problems that they need addressed. And what you can do as an affiliate marketer is you can connect solutions to problems. And I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So the first thing that you want to do is come over to Amazon and scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen and click on Become an Affiliate. And when you click on Become an Affiliate, you're going to go through the steps of joining their affiliate program. Now, the cool thing with affiliate marketing is you can do this 100% for free with the stuff that you have lying around. And so once you sign up to become an affiliate, it takes probably 10 or 15 minutes. One of the questions that it's going to ask you for is a name of a website or YouTube channel. What we're going to do is we're actually going to use YouTube as a way to get in front of our targeted audience and potentially make money. And so what we're going to do as an example is we're basically just going to find a product and we're going to talk about it and we're going to promote it. So what we can do here is let's click on all departments here and we're going to click on see all. And then what we can do is just find any product that you've either purchased from Amazon in the past, a product that you're interested in, or a product that you really know a lot about. And so what we can do is we can go down to, let's click on outdoors, and then let's click on, actually, you know what? Let's type in mini fridge. All right. And so basically for the purposes of this video, we are going to talk about mini fridges. And believe it or not, there is a huge market out there of people that are interested in mini fridges, and this can be an incredible opportunity to make money. Now, the way that affiliate marketing works is you are going to promote products based on what customers want to know about that product. Once you get your affiliate link, you are going to put it in the description of your videos. People are going to click on those links and make a purchase. You get paid a portion of the total sale, of the total cart. So first thing we want to do is come over to YouTube after you create your YouTube channel, and we can just simply click on any product and figure out what people want to know about this product. So I'm going to click on this Upstream 3.2 cubic feet mini fridge. So I'm just going to copy this just like this. And I'm going to paste it right into YouTube. And we're going to look and see if people are searching this. So we can hit the space bar and let's see, we're going to hit enter just like that. And you can see people are looking up these different mini fridges. Now, what's important to note is the number of views. For example, there's 5,000 views here. There's 32,000 views for a different type of mini fridge, but you can see that people are looking up mini fridges. And what you're simply going to do is you're going to answer the question. People are coming over to YouTube and they're typing in best mini fridge. But look at this, best mini fridge. And they're looking up best mini fridge for bedroom, for gaming, with freezer on Amazon, under $100. So you can create content right here, best mini fridge for gaming. And you're going to see that this is getting thousands of views. Look at these results here. 68,000 views, 56,000 views, 52,000 views, simply talking about mini fridges. And what you do is you put together a list of 5 or 6 best mini fridges, and then you can put your affiliate links to each one of those in the description of your videos. People will click on the mini fridge and make a purchase. you earn a commission, but it can be done for anything. If we come back over here, let's just copy this right here and we paste it in like that. And you can see that people are looking up all sorts of things about this mini fridge. So we'll do mini fridge like this. And once again, you are simply just going to create content regarding any product that you find or that you have, and then you're going to link it in the description of Amazon. But you can see here that these are getting thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of views. Top 5 best mini fridges of 2021, 15,000 views. And if we click on this, each one of the links in the description are affiliate links. And the reason why, in my opinion, this is such a better opportunity than some of the other stuff out there is you don't need to have your own products. You don't have to go out and buy your own products. You don't have to worry about wholesaling or shipping products to Amazon. You don't have to worry about returns or customer service. You are literally, you're only creating content based on what people already want to know. You don't have to go out and reinvent the wheel. You don't have to do a bunch of research to figure out what it is that people are interested in. You don't have to, again, work with suppliers. You can come over to Amazon, and this is an interesting thing, is we can type in, look at this, mini fridge for bedroom, and Amazon's already put together a list. And so you can simply review these different mini fridges and make money. If we click on this mini fridge here that has over 1,200 ratings, we can copy this just like this, copy this, and paste it right into YouTube and see that people are already searching this mini fridge. We simply create content based on what people already want to know and put our affiliate links in the description of the video. And it can work for literally anything. You can start with things that are in and around your house. For example, I have a wireless charging pad here. We can come up and we can type in something like best iPhone charging station or cable or case or brick or pad. Look at this. Best iPhone charging pad. We hit enter. We can put together a list of the 5 best wireless charging pads. The top result, 93,000 views. This person, A, doesn't show their face. B, this is just stock photos that they grabbed from the internet. And this one below it, 1.7 million views. You can see that there's opportunity. And once again, you don't have to go out and source the product. You can just find products that you've purchased recently. For example, if we go over to Amazon and we look at recent orders, and you can create content about things that you've purchased recently. For example, I recently purchased this monitor here. What we can do is we can copy this just like this, paste it right over into YouTube, and people are asking questions about this monitor. So if we paste it in, look at this. So people are looking up the review, they're looking up unboxings, they're comparing. What you can also do is type in the type of product and then just do versus, and you're going to see that people are comparing 2 different products, and you can use that as an opportunity to make money. And this works for everything. So if we take a look, the Scepter 24-inch Professional, you can see 102,000 views where people are just doing reviews. 1.9 thousand views from just 4 months ago. There is tons of opportunity. This person only has 62 subscribers, but 6.4 thousand views. If they put their affiliate links in the description of this video, they make a few dollars simply by creating content based on what people want to know. And in my opinion, this is much better than Amazon Flex, where you're delivering different goods and services. It's better than retail arbitrage and wholesaling and fulfilled by Amazon, because you don't have to leave the comfort of your own home. You're already creating content based on what people want to know. You're creating content on things that you have lying around the house, and you can talk about their strengths and weaknesses. Another thing that you can do is we can do KitchenAid stand mixer like this, KitchenAid Professional 5 Plus versus, just like that. And you can see that people are already asking what are the differences, which one's right for them, and you can simply make money just by reviewing things that you find in and around your house. Top result, 21,000 views, only 5,000 subscribers. Again, the process is really simple. Go over to Amazon.com, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen, look for Become an Affiliate. You're going to answer the question simply, and they're going to ask for a YouTube channel. You're going to copy the link to your YouTube channel that you've just created, paste it there, and then you're going to start getting your affiliate links, and you can put them in the description of your videos. Now, the most important thing that I want you to remember, that when it comes to Amazon and YouTube, is to create content consistently. People that struggle with making money with YouTube and Amazon is they create 1 or 2 videos and then they say that it doesn't work. It does work, you just need to be consistent. Here's a channel that I started a while ago called Reviews and Unboxings. Now, the reviews and unboxings only has 1 subscriber, but that's not important for what we're doing. What's important is the number of views that we're getting. Now, the reason why I want to show you this is because I think I've only uploaded 4 or 5 videos, but some of these videos are getting hundreds of views. If we click on your channel here, you're going to see that the top result here, I have this video, 479 views, and there is an affiliate link to Amazon. This video is only 3 minutes and 56 seconds long. My other video, 53 views, but it's targeted to what people want to know: unboxings, reviews, and then you can make money by putting the link. So now that you know the best way to make money on Amazon in 2022 and going forward, click the first link in the description for that free unemployee handbook. When you click that first link in the description, you'll learn how to make money online step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.